This is going to be a video review of the Phillips Norelco MultiGroom all-in-one trimmer that I picked up at Costco. Item number 1161149. I'm not sure how different this is from the older version. This says stainless steel body. I've got a MultiGroom that I picked up at Costco a couple years ago, and it's one of the best trimmers that I have ever owned. In fact, after I bought the MultiGroom from Costco, I ended up throwing out two other trimmers that I had because this really does everything I need. This is really good on the nose, on the edge of the ears. I haven't used it on the eyebrows. It's just great for trimming sideburns. Now, I looked at this and I thought, let me try this thing, because I am one of those people that likes to, during the summer, I like to get rid of all the body hair, so I trim the chest. I do the by the shoulders, the chest, the arms, the sides. You can't really use this on the back unless you have somebody doing that for you. But when you want to trim your chest or your sides or just upper shoulders, you cannot stand in a shower with an electric trimmer because you could shock yourself and you wouldn't be lasting too long. So I thought, let me try this thing. It's on sale. It's a good price. And if it works, if it does better than this, it might. It's got, they say, newer blades. I don't know. But if it does better than this, then it's a good deal. So let me unpack it. If you like my videos, please do a thumbs up, a subscribe, or a like. If there's a product you want me to review, if I can get a hold of it, I will do that and make a good review for you. And if you want to donate to my channel, ask for my PayPal info. Thank you. On the back it says stainless steel handle, full metal trimmer, full metal detailer. Now I don't think the others were metal. I believe the one I have here was, well, it's full metal, but it's got some plastic. Maybe this does too, I don't know. Full metal detailer, extra wide hair trimmer, and that's why I got it. I thought if this is a little wider, it might make this easier to do. Nose and ear trimmer. The nose and ear trimmer on this unit works really well, surprisingly. It's just great. 6 extra wide hair guards. That's always a nice thing. Mini foil shaver. I used it on my older one, and I wasn't too impressed. Didn't really use it again. 3 beard guards. I don't have a beard. 2 stubble guards. I have lots of stubble. 2 body guards. I think we know what that means. Eyebrow guard and a premium pouch. You always want to have a pouch that's premium. Unbeatable power. Reinforced motor. 6 hours of battery. The thing on the older one that lasts a really long time. Dual cut blades, 2x more sharpening, cutting blades. So let's unpack it all now. This big humongous box. This is what's inside it. Wow, just a tiny little box. I guess they wanted more space on the shelf, so they used the big box. Everything is nicely packed in here. That's your pouch. Something's in the pouch. Probably oil and brushes. That's usually what they do. Wow, how do they get all that stuff in these 2 little boxes? So you got a whole bunch of guards over here. Now what do we have? We got the foil thing, the nozzle or your nasal or your nostrils. We got, is this the eyebrow trimmer? I don't know. That looks really cool. There's a brush. There's an AC adapter. Got a really wide blade. And that will be perfect for doing the chest in the shower. Let's see what's in this box. I should have the tripod set up so I don't have to do this one-handed. Never want to do a one-handed. There we go. I never like watching videos where they do it with a cell phone and one-handed. It just looks terrible. So, real video camera here. Here are all the guards. Okay, that was very smart to pack them in here so they don't get cracked. There are a lot of guards. I have never really used guards except when trimming the arm hairs. A lot of people don't trim their body hair. You end up with a ton of hair on your arms and you just look terrible. But people just think that's how it should be. They don't trim their knot. Wow, look at this. Oh my God, what a difference. Now this is plastic. This is a plastic, this is all plastic. This is very light. This is, they said stainless steel, but this is much heavier. This is really beefy. Does it have the turbo on there? How do you turn this thing on? Okay, so it's not charged up. The light's flashing on and off. It's not charged. Sometimes they have a little charge when you get it, but this is totally dead. So I'm going to charge this thing up. I am very excited about using this. I just plugged it in the AC adapter. So it's just on AC power now. It's not on battery power. Well, maybe it is, but I'm going to turn it on. That's got some power in it. Listen to the older one. Much noisier and annoying, but it doesn't seem like it's vibrating with a lot of power. Is that on turbo? Wow, that's just the regular. Noisy and irritating, but I love it. And here's the newer one. Very heavy, very solid. It doesn't have a turbo setting, but that's okay. It's got more power. So I'm going to test this out in a little bit. We'll see how it works. I just did a quick charge. You can charge this up and get a 5-minute use after about a 5-minute charge. Let's power this on. Very quiet. I've got on the really wide blade. I'm not going to show it, but I'm going to go do a little trim right now on the chest, and then I'll give you my opinion of how the thing works. I just used this for about 20 seconds on the upper chest. Now, the reason I was looking for something like this is because when I go to the barber, he always does the trimming at the back of the hairline on the neck. He's got a battery-operated trimmer. It's very effective, it's very sharp, and it works really good. And I wanted to find something like that at a reasonable price. I use this on my chest. It is quiet. It just cuts the hair. No scraping of the skin with the teeth over here like I get with other units that I've tried. So I'm very happy with this. I'm looking in the mirror as I'm talking right now at the area that I just shaved. I've probably got about an 1/8 of an inch stubble, very soft hair on the chest just from using this, and it looks very well groomed. So something like this would be absolutely perfect to use in the shower. I wouldn't use the water with this. Turn the water off, stand in the shower, do your trimming of your body, your arms, your legs, the back of your neck, your chest, the upper shoulders, whatever you want to groom and clean up. If you're not a member of Costco, go to the store and buy this thing. It is really that good. I didn't think the MultiGroom that I had, the black one that I showed you, I didn't think there was anything better on the market after I bought that. This is the better one of the two. This is really a nice unit. Again, so quiet. It doesn't have the turbo. You don't need the turbo. I want to show you, let me see if I can show you something. I don't really have much hair on my arms, but I'm going to take this area off just so that you can see what this thing does. Look at this. All gone. That is incredible. That's impressive. And if you use the teeth, if you use the guards, you'll be able to get a nice, clean groom on your arms so you don't have that excessive amount of hair that makes you look like a bear. This is a great product. Let's try it. I don't have much hair on the knuckles, but let's try this. Just a quick over and see how it does. Look at that. So you get the hair off your knuckles. You just clean yourself up, make yourself look much better. Some people don't want any hair on them. Some people want a little hair. You got the hair on the hands. Let's just take that off right now and see how it does. The neat thing about this is compared to the other units that I've used, they're always so, the teeth dig into the skin and you get red marks. With this thing, there's just no red mark. It glides across very nicely, and this is a very good product. I'm happy. Am I going to use my original MultiGroom? I'll keep it, but I'm not sure how much I'm going to use it anymore because this thing is just awesome. While I've got you on, let me just do the sideburns really quick. This is too big to do the sideburns, but let's see how it does. Just takes it right off. Just beautiful. No, it just shut off. Or, no, I pressed the button. I would say this is not commercial quality, but it's probably barber quality. That's how good this thing is. So that's going to be my review. I'm very glad that I bought this. Please do the thumbs up, subscribe, and like. And I bought this thing at Costco. It was on sale, a really good discount. And even if it wasn't on sale, I would say it's well worth the money to buy. That's how good this unit is. Thanks for watching, everybody. Item number 1161149.